Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to reset explore page on your Instagram. So, you know already that Instagram works on algorithms, So whenever you watch like a specific video, this video will, reappear in your explore page and even in your Reels feed in your Instagram. So in order to change that, there is no button or something that allows you to change the explore page, because it is very, it's very different, and there is a different, pictures and different videos from different content, right? So in order to change that, you will need to focus on one thing, right? So if you a person who likes books, so you will go right here into the books, and you will just go ahead to the profile of this person who posted a book, and you're gonna just spend some time watching or reading the book that is your something you like, right? So you're gonna just keep doing that really until you're gonna see right here. If you reset the the let me just refresh, sorry, the explore page, you will see right here I have this book right here, and that means that you actually like to watch or to read these books. So they're gonna show you in the explore page different accounts that only shows that same content, which is books, right? So in order to change that, in order to actually set your algorithms to be only books, it's highly unlikely, because it's very like it has very like how can I say, it's very very different. So you will see different contents from different criterias. So you can actually set a whole explore page into making it to be like one content only. So basically, if in order to see more, if you in order to see more of your content, you will just go ahead into the content that you actually prefer and keep watching it over and over again. Even if you refreshed it, you will see it appearing just like this, and you will see 2 more accounts or 3 more accounts of this content. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.